Few months back, my son came to me and he said, Daddy, I got something, a word from God. I understood something very powerful. I said, tell me. He was in 4th class that time. And he said, Bible tells us that there is a friend who sticks closer than a brother. And I realized that friend is Jesus. You know, actually, he's so right. Because what he realized can change his life forever. And even when you realize this truth, that Jesus is your friend forever, it will change your life. When you have a friend who is good, who is influential, who is walking with you, who is strong, you're not afraid of anybody. You're not afraid of anything because you know that your friend who loves you is able to take care of you. I remember in our college days, whenever we would go for a hotel, when the time of bill would come, one by one, people would make an excuse and go out. See, when the time of paying comes, nobody is there. See, we know this saying that friend in need is the friend indeed. Many times, people who we call as our friends are not present when we actually need them. We cannot trust any man. Bible does say that if you trust in man, it's a snare. Because man will change. There is only one person who never changes. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. He is always faithful. He is never failing. And he says, I am your friend. There was a time when Jesus called his disciples and he said, I don't call you servants anymore. I call you friends. Because I am not going to share everything with my servants, but I will share my heart with my friends. You know, friendship is a close and a very precious relationship. It goes beyond any blood relation. It goes beyond any boundaries. It goes beyond any social class or anything. Friendship is precious. It's a covenant relationship where you stand with each other in the time of trouble, enjoy with each other's goodness. When one is happy, the other one rejoices. That's what friendship is all about. Let us see one word in the Bible, in the book of Psalms, chapter 46, verse 1. It's a very powerful word, and I want you to go ahead this day with this word in your heart so that you will not be afraid of any situation in your life. Let me read book of Psalms, chapter 46, verse 1. To the chief musicians, a psalm of the sons of Korah, a song for Almoth. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. What he says is when you are in trouble, God is present and not absent. You remember Psalms 91:15, he says that I will walk with you in trouble. He has said, even though you walk through the valley of shadow of death, you shall fear no evil, because the Lord is with you. That's what he is telling, that he is a very present help, ever present help at the time of need. And then what he says in verse 2, therefore, because God is my refuge, God is my strength, God is my friend who is with me always, therefore we will not fear. Even though the earth be moved, and though the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea, though its waters roar and be troubled, though the mountains shake with the swelling, Shelah, there is a river whose streams shall make glad the city of God, the holy place of the tabernacle of Most High. You know what he is telling us? Even in the midst of the most difficult situation, your friend, who is God Almighty, the creator of the heavens and the earth, has said that I will be with you. I will never leave you, not forsake you. You are not alone, my brother, my sister. You are not alone. There is a friend who sticks closer than a brother. There is a friend who is ever present at the time of need. His name is Jesus. He is with you. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.